Looking for high-quality precision shim washers you can depend on? At Stephens Gaskets, we guarantee fast turnaround and unmatched quality every time. We offer tailored solutions with samples, prototypes, and a wide range of shim materials for every industry. Trusted by global manufacturers, our washers are designed to meet your exact needs, delivering reliability in every use. With over 70 years of experience, we value strong relationships, offering dedicated support and expert advice. Advance your operations with cutting-edge laser-cut shims and experience flawless performance and durability. We take pride in contributing to your success by providing the best solutions for your unique challenges.